Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is an extremely personal video. In fact, I was thinking whether to make this public or not, but मैंने सोचा चलो जो हमारी community है उसके साथ share करते हैं. What exactly did I learn from 2024? यहाँ पे मैं CAT की बात नहीं करूँगा. यहाँ पे मैं ZAT, NMAT, SNAP, MBA ये सब की बात नहीं करूँगा. I'll only talk about what did I learn from 2024 because it has been a milestone year for me. Because of course I launched Point 99. I left my nice job that I had and I started this. So what did I learn in this process? तो ये चीज़ जो है ना वो मैं डिस्कस करूँगा in this particular video. So bear with me. In case you learn something from this, do let me know in the comment section what is it that you learned, what did you learn from 2024 and what are you looking forward to the most in 2025. So I thought I'll just share it with the community what my thoughts are. So let's start with the first thing that I learned. It's never too late to start a good thing. Now, of course, a lot of you would be knowing that I am sufficiently elder to all of you. So I am currently 38 years old. And if you look at what exactly I have been doing in my life, I have done my MBA from FMS Delhi. I am an MBBS graduate. Uske baad I worked with ITC. I had my own startup. Then I worked with IMS and now I have my own startup again. So there are a lot of things that have happened, right? Now, as a 38-year-old, leaving your job and starting something on your own might seem risky to a lot of you. But then it's never too late to start a good thing. Yeah? It's always a fun thing to create something from scratch. I remember the day when I started this YouTube channel with exactly 0 subscribers. I still don't know why people subscribe to this channel when there were 1, 2, 3, 4 subscribers. But I am really proud of the way in which this channel has evolved and the kind of love and support that you have given me. That justifies that it's never too late to start a good thing. I'm just hoping and praying that this grows into something big in the coming year. The second thing that I learned was follow the process, not the outcome. It's very important for you to keep on doing good work day in and day out. बहुत सारी जगह पे ना you will not be able to justify. So what happened was towards the end when CAT happened, a lot of people came and told me that ये वीडियो कर सकते हैं, वो वीडियो कर सकते हैं, ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. The funny thing was I had done all those things on the channel when people were not watching. So जब subscribers कम थे उस time पे I did a lot of work and my videos would have got what 100, 200, 300 views and so on. But the good thing was I stayed put. I kept on creating content. I knew that there will be a point in time wherein people will wake up and appreciate the content that was there. So I kept at it. People who have been following me since the month of May or June, you would know the entire struggle that I have gone through. I have taken sessions जहाँ पे there used to be 1 or 2 people, 0 chats that were there. It was a very humbling experience, right? So one day I am sitting on a channel and I am talking to people and there are hundreds of people, thousands of people who are watching, and the very next month or so I am sitting on a channel and talking to people and there is barely anyone who is listening to me. So that was something that was a difficult journey this year, but then I always knew that you have to follow the process. The outcome will take care of itself, as is said in the Three Idiots movie. सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, राइट? कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो. फोकस ऑन एक्सीलेंस and then success will follow it, right? So that is basically what I always thought. Of course there is a lot of distance to be covered. ऐसा नहीं कि channel पूरा arrive हो गया है, नहीं. There is a lot of work to be done, but I'm really happy with the kind of response that I have been getting. 10 days before CAT was when somehow it struck gold and a lot of people started watching it, and I'm really grateful to all those who helped propagate this channel, right? Spread the word and get a lot of people on board. So this is something that I'm looking forward to next year as well. But this was a big reinforcement that you have to follow the process. The outcome will take care of itself. तुम outcome के पीछे भागोगे या you will feel sad about it or bad about it, then good things are not going to happen. The third thing that I learned, it's very important to know yourself, right? You have to know what kind of an individual are you. If you don't know what kind of an individual are you, you will always keep on thinking कि भाई मैं सही कर रहा हूँ कि गलत कर रहा हूँ. Am I right when I'm doing this particular thing or not? Can I do better? Am I being lazy? I'm overreacting to things. क्या चल रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा, right? It's very important to know yourself. I am very lucky that at this point in time I came to figure out, or I figured out what kind of a personality I am. I always knew. So I have been inherently someone who is थोड़ा self-aware. I know what my deficiencies are, what are the things that I need to work on. I identify those things and I work consciously towards them. But it's very important to know what kind of an individual are you. दो चीज़ें थी जो मेरे लाइफ में यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हुई. वन वॉज ऑफ कोर्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉट आई एम डिलीवरिंग ऑन द चैनल. आई केप्ट ऑन इवॉल्विंग एज एन इंडिविजुअल. आई ऑल्सो फिगर आउट कि कैसे इवॉल्व करना है, क्या करना है, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. ऑल्सो आई figured out what kind of a person I am when it comes to personal finance. कैसे उसको हैंडल करना है, क्या क्या चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रेडर आई एम, ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता चली दिस ईयर. एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस एंटायर ईयर, सो दैट फॉर द रिवील दैट हैपेंड, राइट. सो वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. In terms of the next point, there will be teething issues in any change. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि one fine day you change something, next day you get up and you are like वो करके you again start from the same point. ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा. There will be teething issues in any change. You will feel really bad about making a decision, and बहुत सारे मतलब you will always keep on doubting it for the first few months. What exactly is it that has happened and why exactly have you reached a particular point in time? In fact, at a very personal level, I of course left my job and started this thing because I felt passionately that I could contribute to the community in an impactful manner on my own as well. तो मुझे वो करना था. I wanted to explore this side of things. That's why I decided to go ahead and do this. In fact, my wife also changed her job in the middle of the year. So again, of course, it's a good setup, and both of us are really happy with what we are doing at this point in time. But there will be teething issues in any change. You have to be good enough to accept those teething issues and not start doubting yourself at every point in time कि अरे मैंने ये किया तो ठीक होता, मुझे ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए था, मुझे स्विच ही नहीं करना चाहिए था, एंड सो ऑन. पीपल आर अनग्रेटफुल. ये सब चीज़ें बिल्कुल नहीं सोचनी है. टीथिंग इश्यूज होंगे, लेट टाइम पास. हैव अ पर्टिकुलर एजेंडा इन योर हेड कि भाई मुझे ये 6 महीने में ये माइलस्टोन हिट करना है, ये 12 मंथ्स में ये माइलस्टोन हिट करना है, एंड देन फोकस ऑल योर एनर्जीज ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. अगर वो नहीं होता आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इन टाइम, ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू हैव अ प्लान बी इन प्लेस एज वेल, बट देयर विल बी टीथिंग इश्यूज. ओवर रिएक्ट मत करना व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग समथिंग. एंड सबसे लास्ट वाला पार्ट, नेवर गिव अप. नाउ सम ऑफ यू वुड हैव सीन दिस इन अ रीसेंट वीडियो. ऑफ कोर्स there is some recency bias, but the World Chess Championship that happened and the way Gukesh came back and won that particular championship, it was purely a game of persistence. यार मतलब you never gave up, right? You were behind at various places in time. You still were adventurous, and of course at the end the persistence paid off, and Gukesh basically became the world champion, world chess champion, right? So you don't have to give up if things are not going in your favor. मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ था. Till the time there were 10 days left for the cat, I always kept on thinking कि यार मेरे को ना इस बार थोड़ा पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, बहुत स्लो हो गया है, लोगों को शायद पसंद नहीं आ रहा कंटेंट, कुछ तो करना चाहिए, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, and all those things happened. But then I introspected, and I think the video that I did in terms of the cat previews, that those were the ones that took off, right? Cat slot 1 preview, slot 2 preview, slot 3 preview, slot 2 preview especially just took off. I don't know how it happened, but it suddenly took off. उसके बाद the 5-minute series that I did, 5 minutes para jumbles, it remains one of the top 5 videos on the channel. Although para jumbles नहीं आए थे cat के अंदर, but it still remains one of the highest or most viewed videos. And what can I say about the 50 insane cat con shortcuts video? That took off, and that is currently the best performing video on the channel. I hope to deliver more such content that is useful to all of you, and I'm sure all of you and we will enjoy interacting with each other, and will of course learn a lot together in the long run. Now ये तो हो गई achievements की बातें, things that I learned, but there were some misses that were there this year which I feel slightly bad about. In terms of reading, last 4 years से people who have followed me on Goodreads would have known that I generally managed to complete my reading goal for that year कि कितने books पढ़ने चाहिए. I know it's not a good way to quantify reading, but एक reading goal होता है कि मैं 30 books पढ़ने वाला हूँ, 25 books पढ़ने वाला हूँ, and so on. I have been hitting my goal and surpassing it every year for the last 4 years now. But this was the first day जहाँ पे मेरा goal achieve नहीं हुआ. I am feeling particularly bad about this, but I am sure I will make a comeback in the next year, and I will make reading one of my top priorities in this particular year. तो 2025 में reading definitely मुझे improve करना है. Second thing, in terms of health took a slight backseat this year. I ran 100 days of running वाला challenge मैंने complete किया. I ran a couple of 10Ks as well, but it was not up to the mark. 2025 I have to transform myself as an individual physically, so that is something I'll definitely be working on in the coming year. But yes, this year health took a backseat, and I should have done a bit better in terms of that. एंड थर्ड थिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ न्यू स्किल्स, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा स्किल्स इस साल acquire नहीं किए. I am generally someone who does not like to sit quietly at one place and not do anything. तो मैं काफ़ी सारी नई नई चीज़ें करता रहता हूँ. So for example, I learned trading one fine year. I figured out a bit of Spanish on Duolingo one fine year. I teach myself quite a few things. I learned cycling very late in my life, by the way. Then I am teaching myself swimming. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे लर्न भी करनी है, एंड आई एम श्योर इन द कमिंग ईयर आई विल लर्न अ बिट मोर ऑफ दीज. सो देर आर सम न्यू स्किल्स दैट आई शुड हैव अक्वायर्ड दिस ईयर, बट नहीं हो पाया मेरे से बिकॉज ऑफ वट एवर रीजन. इट वॉज सॉर्ट ऑफ लेजीनेस ऑन माई साइड, और बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑक्यूपाइड टू मच विथ building this new thing, and that was sort of a slightly stressful exercise. So in this year I will enjoy the content that I'm creating on the channel, and I'm sure it will show on the channel as well. The quality and the magnitude of content should increase in this year, plus I should be able to do much better in terms of my reading, my health and my new skills development. तो ये सारी चीज़ें करेंगे. Do let me know in the comment section what did you think of this video. I just thought I'll come out and share it with all of you what I did in this particular year. थोड़ा subjective take है, I didn't really talk about what I did exactly, but काफ़ी सारे insights थे जो मेरे पास थे. That's why I thought I will share it with all of you. Do let me know how your 2024 was. What exactly did you do, learn, क्या किया 2025 में, what is it that you're looking forward to, and I'll see if I can contribute to it in some manner. So yeah, let's learn together, let's grow together, and MBA CAT ये तो चलता रहेगा, but overall it's very important for all of us to keep evolving as an individual so that we don't become obsolete, we stay relevant, and we keep on learning and growing as time progresses. So this is a very special video from my side. Do let me know what did you think about it, and I'll see you again in the next video.